Good at modeling is a strong entry. I love that. I love the very deep tie to data science. So Rohan, you're the winner of this round. Google, Apple, Meta. Okay, I like that one, Joseph. All right, but the winner for GAM is good at modeling. Congrats, Rohan. That's a good entry. I liked it as soon as I read it. All right, guys, next one here. This is a fun one. We were talking about this earlier. So the word is LLM. LLM is the current word. Wrong answers only, guys. Ladies love modeling. Okay. Okay, coming in strong with initial entry. LLM is the current word, guys. Lambs lolling merrily. Okay, another great ChatGPT prompt, right? In fact, while we're waiting, let's put that into a ChatGPT. That would be hilarious to see that. Let me bring that up. Because I have like the fully integrated account and all that, so it'll get me the Dolly pictures. That's hilarious. Lambs lolling merrily. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Oh, Rahul, I love it.